The Law of Attraction Simplified. How to manifest anything. Have you ever dreamed of living the life you truly desire? That life where you wake up excited, where your heart sings with purpose, and where abundance flows in all areas. Whether it's financial freedom, a fulfilling career, or deeper, more loving relationships, what if I told you that you already hold the power to make it a reality? It's called the Law of Attraction. It's about understanding the incredible connection between your thoughts, your energy, and the world around you. Today, we're going to break down the Law of Attraction into simple, practical steps, dispel some myths, and empower you to start manifesting your dreams today. Understanding the Law of Attraction. Like attracts like. Now, you might have heard whispers of the Law of Attraction. Maybe dismissed it as something for dreamers. But let me tell you, this is a principle as old as time. It's the simple yet profound idea that like attracts like. Every thought you have, every emotion you feel, it all has an energy, a vibration, and that vibration is constantly interacting with the universe, drawing similar energies back to you. Think of it like a magnet. If you hold a magnet up to something with an opposite charge, they attract, right? The same principle applies to your thoughts and feelings. When you focus on positivity, on gratitude, on abundance, you're putting out that energy, and the universe responds in kind. The Law of Attraction is rooted in ancient wisdom and is now being explored and validated by scientists and researchers. We're learning more and more about the incredible power of the mind and how our thoughts literally shape our reality. Your subconscious mind doesn't judge your thoughts. It accepts what you tell it as truth. So if you're constantly focusing on what you lack, on your fears, on what you don't want, you're inadvertently attracting more of that into your life. But here's the beautiful flip side. When you shift your focus to what you want, to the good you want to experience, to the love and abundance you desire, you begin to align yourself with those very things. You become a magnet for your dreams. It's about conscious creation. The science of manifestation. It's not magic, it's your mind. Now you might be thinking, Oprah, this all sounds good, but where's the proof? Well, let me tell you, the science behind manifestation is truly fascinating. You see, your brain is this incredible complex organ, and it has this amazing system called the reticular activating system, or RAS. Think of your RAS like a filter for your mind. It's bombarded with millions of bits of information every second, but it selectively filters what gets through to your conscious awareness. And guess what? It prioritizes information that aligns with your dominant thoughts and beliefs. Have you ever experienced that phenomenon where you learn a new word, and suddenly, you start hearing it everywhere? Or maybe you decide you want to buy a certain car, and then like magic, you start seeing that car everywhere you go. That, my friend, is your RAS in action. It's not that these things suddenly appeared out of thin air. They were always there, but your RAS was filtering them out because they weren't relevant to your dominant thoughts. But the moment you focused on them, the moment you gave them your attention and energy, your RAS said, oh, this is important, I better pay attention to this. The same principle applies to everything in your life. When you focus on abundance instead of scarcity, on gratitude instead of complaint, on love instead of fear, your brain gets busy looking for evidence to support those beliefs. It starts highlighting opportunities and possibilities that were always there, but that you couldn't see before. You literally start seeing the world through a lens of possibility. Chapter 3. 5 Steps to Manifest Anything, Your Practical Roadmap to Abundance. Now let's get practical. I know you're ready to start manifesting your dreams, so here are 5 actionable steps you can start implementing today. Step 1. Get crystal clear on what you want. This is where so many people get tripped up. They have vague desires, but they haven't taken the time to truly define what they want. So, grab your journal, find a quiet space, and really think about your ideal life. What does it look like? What do you feel? Write down your goals in specific, measurable terms. Instead of saying, I want to be wealthy, say, I want to earn $10,000 a month doing work I love. The clearer you are, the better your RAS can help you manifest it. Step 2. Visualize your success daily. This is where the magic truly begins. Spend 5 to 10 minutes each day visualizing your life as if you've already achieved your goal. Don't just think about it, feel it. Experience the joy, the gratitude, the confidence of having already achieved your dream. The more real you can make it in your mind, the more powerful the manifestation. Step 3. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude. Gratitude is like a magnet for miracles. When you focus on what you're grateful for, it shifts your energy from a place of lack to a place of abundance. It's about appreciating the good in your life right now, and in doing so, you open yourself up to receiving even more. Step 4. Take inspired action. Now let me be clear, the law of attraction isn't a magic genie that grants wishes without any effort on your part. It's a partnership. The universe will meet you halfway, but you have to be willing to take action. Trust your intuition, those little nudges you get, and act on them. If you want a new job, update your resume and start applying. If you want to find love, put yourself out there. The universe rewards action. Chapter 4. Overcoming Obstacles, How to Silence Your Inner Critic and Manifest with Confidence. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Oprah, this all sounds great, but what about doubt? What about fear? What if I don't believe it's possible? Listen, you are not alone. Doubt and fear are part of the human experience. We all have that inner critic that loves to tell us we're not good enough, smart enough, or deserving enough. But here's the thing. You don't have to believe those thoughts. Just because you think it doesn't make it true. The key is to become aware of those negative thoughts and consciously choose to reframe them. When you catch yourself thinking, "This will never happen," stop and ask yourself, is that really true? Or is that just my fear talking? And then, replace that negative thought with a positive affirmation. Say to yourself, I am worthy of receiving my desires. I am on the right path, and good things are coming my way. Another common pitfall is getting attached to the outcome. We can get so focused on how we think things should unfold that we miss out on the magic of the present moment and the infinite possibilities that exist. Trust that the universe has your back and is guiding you towards what's truly meant for you. It's about trusting that everything is happening for your highest good, even if you don't understand it in the moment. Chapter 5. Your journey starts now. Declare your dreams and step into your power. So here's your challenge, and it's a simple one. I want you to pick one goal, one dream that you want to manifest in your life. Write it down in your journal, on a sticky note, wherever you'll see it every day. Then find 5 minutes today to close your eyes and visualize that dream as if it's already your reality. Feel the emotions, the joy, the gratitude, the peace, the excitement. And as you visualize, whisper to yourself, I am worthy of receiving this. I am open and receptive to abundance. Finally, I want you to share your dream with the world. Leave a comment below and tell us what you're manifesting. Declaring your intention is a powerful way to step into your power and start attracting your desires. The universe is waiting to conspire with your dreams. Outro. Create the life you desire. Subscribe and join our community. Thank you for spending this time with me today, for opening your hearts and minds to the incredible power of the law of attraction. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this message today. And don't forget to subscribe to Be Aware for more inspiring content designed to uplift, empower, and guide you on your journey of personal growth and transformation. I'll see you in the next video.